welcome to Rob's Fix-It Shop. Today I have just a quick video. I've got my Bosch 1274 DVS belt sander in here, and it's got a couple of problems. The pad's all worn out on the bottom. The switch won't lock, right? I really like having a locking switch, so I'm going to replace the switch. I'm going to switch out that, and I'm going to put a new handle on it because when I went to get it to make this video, I dropped it, I busted the handle, tried to glue it, which never works, and but then I found a handle online to buy, and so I'm just going to do those three things. It should be a very straightforward repair, and so if you're interested, just hang on, and it should be a fun ride. All right, let's do the handle first. So this was all busted up, and you can see I wasn't able to fix it right. And because I thought, oh, it'd be expensive to get a new handle for it. And it turns out you just pull the screw out, comes apart, and then slide the new handle on. And seriously, the handle was like $7. I was amazed it was so cheap, right? Because a lot of times it's weird that parts can be kind of expensive. And here I tried to use a little fiberglass and epoxy to kind of fix it, but you know, for $6-7, yeah, nice new handle, right? Okay, so next let's try to get this switch replaced. All right, so the thing that's busted with this switch is the catch right there, and the switch, that was a little more expensive. But it's got the lock on it, and yeah, we'll have to see how to get the wires in there, but I think we can just take it off by taking the torque screws off of here. Oh yeah, kind of dirty. So it looks like these have screws to hold them in, and I'm going to mark those because they're all white. Well, yeah, it doesn't look like they can go to the wrong place. Okay, that's that. That worked. So I just got a screwdriver alongside and just kind of pulled them out. Yeah, let's get a little needle nose to see if we can pull that out. Okay, is that it? Yeah, that's it. Okay. That's funny though, this doesn't have the screws included. That seems kind of weird. Okay. Okay. It's got this little groove here for it to go in. Okay, that looks good. And then that goes there. That goes there. And then I got to pull the screws out of here. Yeah, you can see how worn this guy. I've had this thing a long time. This is a good. I've had other ones, and I think my other one was a Ryobi. I started, of course, with a. I'm old, right? So I started with a Craftsman, and that was Craftsman was really crap in the '80s, and then I had a Ryobi or Makita. I don't know. And it was pretty good, but it kept busting the gears or the cog that the belt was on. Okay, let's see if that. Let's see if that's going to work for us. Sweet. Okay. So, clean this up a little bit. All right. Now, I got this. All right, so now we have this pad here. And yeah, I left this way too long. Should have a bigger screwdriver. This seems a lot stiffer than it was when it was new. So I just put a little grease on there. It seems to help. Let's see what we got here. Okay, got a bunch of them. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's give it a try. All right. All right, well, I told you it'd be a quick video. I'm glad to have this guy back up and running. New handle, new switch, new pad, and I guess I don't have to wait 10 years between replacements. I've got a couple of extras here that I didn't realize. I didn't realize I was buying 3, but that's great. I love this. I love this belt sander. It's really nice, and glad to have it back in operation. So if you liked the video, please hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.